How's it going there, Pastor Daron?
Oh, hi Shane, you're here.
Yeah, I'm here. Grandpa sent me over because when he gave that flower to Grandma, she gave him some more jobs.
Oh, that's normal.
Yeah, he said, can you go over and help Pastor Daron because he's doing some filming?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so what are we doing?
Well, I thought today we'll make a turtle.
A turtle! Yeah?
You like turtles?
Not that much because they're slimy things.
This one's not.
Okay.
I'm going to make a green turtle.
A green turtle! Boop.
So inflate the balloon. That's not helping, Shane. We're halfway up.
Yep.
Actually close to 3/4.
And you softened it?
That's right. Dried
Yep.
it off. Now I'm going to form a turtle shell by doing a 3-bubble roll through.
A 3-bubble roll through.
That's right. What are you doing,
Okay.
Shane? 2 bubbles.
Yep.
Lock those 2 bubbles together.
Look 'em in.
That's it.
Yep.
Then lay the balloon alongside those 2 bubbles.
Okay.
Form the 3rd bubble,
Right.
slightly smaller.
Okay.
Roll it through.
Roll it through.
That's it.
Whew.
So there's the shell of the turtle.
Is that the shell of a turtle?
That's right.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to form the legs of the turtle.
Form the legs.
4 bubbles.
4,
1,
3,
1, 2,
4.
2, 3, 4,
4.
and lock 1 and 4 together.
That makes 5.
Why?
Well, 1 and 4 makes 5.
Oh, that's right. But it's 4 bubbles.
Ah.
Now comes the hard part.
Yep.
I'm going to roll those 4 bubbles over the shortest bubble to put the legs onto the shell.
Woo. That's cool.
And use a knot to lock it off so it doesn't come undone.
Right.
Just tuck it back around through it. So there is the shell and the 4 legs on the shell now.
Cool.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Remaining balloon,
Yeah, what do you do with it?
use it to form the head of the turtle.
Mm-hmm.
So do a loop twist.
A loopy twist.
You're a bit loopy, Shane.
No, I'm not.
And then use what's left to form the 2 eyes. So 2 bubbles
Yep.
and lock it by wrapping what's left of the balloon around and around the head
Woo. Wouldn't that choke it?
and tuck what's left of the balloon in behind the head
Yep.
to finish it off. And there we have the turtle.
Ah, cool. That's a good turtle.
Not quite finished.
No. What are you going to do?
Use texture
Yep.
to highlight him.
Woo.
Just adds that finishing touch.
Oh, very good.
So 2 eyes, a mouth,
Woo. A mouth. I've got a mouth.
nostrils,
Woo-hoo. Hairy ones.
and then on his shell,
Yep.
I'm going to put some patterns all over it.
Ah.
Just some dots.
Just like the pattern on the back of one.
That's right.
Of a turtle. Cool.
It just brings him up and makes him a bit more authentic.
Woo. This turtle's upside down.
No, you're upside down.
What? Oh, sorry. Oh, I am too. Ha! It looked all right though.
There you go.
Woo.
He's finished.
It's not slimy?
Not slimy, you want to hold him?
Okay.
There you go.
Woo. Yeah.
You can take him home and show Arnie and Doreen.
I might put him in the dam. Although this one might float.
He'll float.
Yeah. Till the birds peck it and then it'll go bang.
Enjoy him.
Anyway, I'm going to go. Ah!
Bye.
Got some bike riding and to do. Yeah, that's pretty good.